In this video of Andorra, we'll discuss how do you get to Andorra, the beautiful journey to Andorra, the affordability of staying in Andorra, a walking tour of Andorra La Vella, the main city, and the curious government in Andorra. So please stay tuned to my video. Please remember to post a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get my latest travel videos.
Happy Monday and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue our exploration of the tiny countries of Europe. Today we're going to visit Andorra. The first step to getting into Andorra is to fly to Barcelona, Spain. Now once you get to Barcelona Airport, you have to get a bus. Then from Terminal 1 of the Barcelona Airport, you catch a bus to Andorra. We'll check your passport when you get on this bus because you're not going to Spain, you're going to a foreign country, Andorra.
The total bus time from Barcelona Airport is about 3.5 hours. For the first hour, you're on major highways, and then it changes as you approach northeastern Spain. You travel through little towns and two-lane highways. And then, suddenly, out of nowhere, the Pyrenees Mountains appear. They are spectacular. The Pyrenees mountain range is a jagged sawtooth mountain range, and it's very beautiful. You also see beautiful lakes as you ride up to Andorra. Soon we approach the international border crossing point into Andorra.
And we're here. Welcome to Andorra. This is beautiful Andorra. It's surrounded by mountains and there's a beautiful mountain spring river flowing through the main city. The main city in Andorra is Andorra La Vella. It's also the national capital. Our first stop is Plaça del Poble in Andorra la Vella. Plaça del Poble offers a view of the snow-capped mountains that surround the city, and as well as a panoramic view of the city itself. So the loud construction noise, I'm sorry about that. This city is very, very tourist friendly. A couple of little facts about Andorra. Andorra's official language is Catalan. It's not Spanish, it's not French, it's Catalan. And Catalan is kind of a mix of Spanish and French. So in Spain, you say gracias when you say thank you. Here in Andorra, you say merci. Andorra has been a country since the year 1278. Andorra has one of Europe's oldest parliaments, established in year 1419. The city of Andorra La Vella, which is the capital city, has about 20,000 people. The entire country of Andorra has about 80,000 people. As I said before, Andorra is very tourist friendly. As I mentioned before, Andorra is very tourist friendly. Unlike Barcelona, which is packed with tourists and everything costs money, here, this is their tallest lookout point in Andorra La Vella, and it's absolutely free of charge. Plaça del Poble exits out onto this pedestrian bridge, which has these beautiful flowers on it, and a mural on a building. And on the other side is a beautiful old church. It's absolutely gorgeous here. I didn't know what to expect when I came to Andorra, and I'm very pleasantly surprised. By the way, one more fact about Andorra. Andorra La Vella, the capital city, is the highest capital city in all of Europe. This beautiful old church that I just showed you, here's the front of it. This is Sant Esteve Church, Iglesia de Sant Esteve. That was inside the church. That was a beautiful church in the inside with beautiful stained glass windows with a great design. And yes, the church was free to enter. Because Andorra La Vella has a population of hardly 20,000, there's hardly any traffic. There's lots of nice pedestrian places and beautiful little cafes. That is the flag of Andorra. The mountain views are quite spectacular as you stroll down the pretty streets. Very pretty hotels with flowers on balconies. This is the Hotel Pyrenees in Andorra La Vella. This pretty hotel with beautiful balconies is called the Hostel Californar. Now, Hostel Californar, translated into English, means Hotel California. And I can assure you, in this Hotel California, you can check out anytime you like and you can always leave. Speaking of hotels, the hotels here are very reasonably priced. All the prices are very reasonable here compared to Barcelona. I'm paying hardly $60 US a night for my hotel, and it's 4-star. Pretty little cafes right on the street. Old cobblestone streets. As I mentioned before, Andorra has been a country since year 1278. This is the original Parliament building. It's still intact. It doesn't operate today as a parliament, but it is a museum. But this building housed the first parliament of Andorra, which again was in 1419. What a beautiful view. Here is the Parliament building again, and what the view I was trying to show you is there. Look at that. And also it's overlooking the city of Andorra La Vella. From the front of the old Parliament, you can enjoy another beautiful view of Andorra La Vella, and the view is absolutely free. That's the old Parliament building, and that's the museum they've created to honor their past. This humble looking building, which kind of looks like a motel, is, and I'm going to show it to you, the Council General. This is the new Parliament of Andorra. The new Parliament of Andorra sits right next to a bar. Cute. It's a good time for me to explain to you that Andorra has two princes. They're called co-princes. And the one prince is a bishop because they've been ruled by the Catholic Church for a long time. And the second prince is the president of France. So that's their heads of state, a bishop and the president of France. So currently, of course, that's Macron. Emmanuel Macron, of the President of France, and also the current bishop in this area. More pretty cobblestone streets in Andorra La Vella. This beautiful building is a little restaurant. More pretty little cafes. This is the main boulevard in Andorra La Vella. Andorra La Vella reminds me of a town in Switzerland. Looks very, very common to a town in Switzerland, except one big difference. Andorra La Vella is about 1/3 the price. As you may know, the late great artist Salvador Dali was from this area, not from Andorra, but very close to here in Spain. And so he gifted one of his famous sculptures to the city. Nobleza del Temps is the Salvador Dali sculpture. That's an original, and it's here decorating Andorra La Vella. And how appropriate, the mountain spring fed river is right behind it, as well as the sign Andorra La Vella. I hope you enjoyed my video from Andorra today. I will be bringing you more from Andorra, so please stay tuned, and thank you for watching.
Please subscribe, post a like, and hit the notification bell for future videos.